Namaste to all of you, Master Jay here, and welcome to Jaiyoga Academy. So guys, if you are new onto this channel, please subscribe it so you can get the maximum update about yoga. Also, if you want to join my courses about the different level, if you want to join my weight loss course, advanced yoga for increased flexibility. Also, if you want to become a yoga teacher and if you want to join the normal pranayama breathing meditation course, any course if you want, you can go to my website www.jaiyogaacademy.com and you can find all the details here. Also, you can WhatsApp to me. So guys, today we will do the practice, little bit workout for the weight loss. We will learn more asanas, more postures about the core. So how to make your core more strength, how to lose belly fat. So just ready with me, we will give little bit warm up in the beginning. So first everyone sit down and keep your leg crossed. Breathe normal through your nose. Inhale slowly and deeply and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now very gently open your eyes. Raise your hands up. Inhale. Look up. Keep your back straight. कमर सीधी रखेंगे. Exhale and look down. Hands up. Inhale. Look up and exhale. Look down. Now open hand to the side. Inhale. Exhale. Bend to the right side. Straight your left hand. Center. Come back. Inhale. And exhale. To the opposite side. Again come back. Inhale. Exhale. So this time you can drop your elbow and straight your hand. Look up. Come back. Inhale. And exhale. To the opposite side and look up. Come back. Inhale. Exhale and relax your hands down. So let's start here. Just open your both legs front. Keep your back straight. Now keep your feet together. Raise your hands up. Inhale. Lift shoulder and your back, belly in. Slowly go lengthen and exhale. Try to hold your feet here. Just go maximum down. If you have back pain, please avoid it. Otherwise you can go it. Just drop your elbow down and go lengthen, look down. Try to hold it, breathe normal. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Inhale. Hands up and then exhale. Relax your hand. Now bend your knee. Keep your back straight and slowly straight your leg up. So first put your hands down, keep your feet together, and if you are beginner, if you cannot straight, you can bend your knee. Just try to make balance. Hold it. 5, 4, otherwise straight leg. 3, 2 and 1. Straight your hands. Engage your core muscles. 5, 4, back straight, leg straight. 3, 2, 1. Slowly hand up. Little bit challenging for you, but try to do as much you can. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now this time put your hands behind, look front. Lift your hip up. Inhale. Slow. Your knee ankle should be aligned, same line. Shoulder, wrist also look up. 5. Keep breathing when you hold the pose. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Inhale. Exhale. Now look front. Drop your both elbow down here. Just try to drop your elbow here and legs up. Now from here, what you need to do, you need to straight your right leg and bend your left knee. Just change your leg position continuous one by one like this. So you can do it 10 to 20 times. Just do it continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite. Straight your leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend your knee. Straight your both legs together and then bend your knee your side. Straight your leg together and then bend your knee 5 times. Straight your leg and bend. Straight, bend. Exhale. Straight your leg. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Last time. Straight and bend. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last. Straight leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs up. 6. Hold it now. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. In the last, leg up and down with straight. पैर सीधे रहेंगे आपके. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Just leg down. Inhale. Exhale. Now bend your knee, bend your leg, hip down and lying down here. Take inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So all the workout will be in the lying down position now. So everyone, this time put your hands behind your head. So now from here, take inhale. Exhale. Chest up. Look front. सामने देखिए. वापिस आ जाइए. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Proper inhalation and exhalation is important. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more time. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale and exhale. Now just hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs up. Try. 5. You need to be strong here. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly, slowly come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep your feet together. So now this time, right leg up only. Knee together here. Inhale, exhale. Chest up. Just hold it normal one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Now the opposite side. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg up. So here your knee will be together. आपके घुटने साथ में रहेंगे. एक पैर बिल्कुल सीधा सामने की तरफ देखिए. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Now bend your left leg your side and straight your leg front. Here, tuck your foot near to the knee. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Down. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Down. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. Last. Inhale and exhale. Just try to hold it. 5. Engage your core muscles. 4. 3. Be strong. Stay and hold. Don't come back. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. If you do it continuous, very easily you can lose your belly fat. You can feel your core is more stronger. Now do it from the opposite side. Bend your right leg and left leg straight 30 degree. 30 degree पे रहेगा आपका पैर. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Then down. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And last, exhale. Just stay here again. 5, 4. Hold it, hold it. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Very good, everyone. Just inhale and exhale. Do practice with me together. Don't see and watch only. Just practice. Practice makes you more perfect. So everyone, this time lift your hip up. Here. Inhale. We will give little bit relax to the back and the core. Exhale, then down. Simple one. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, then down. Now straight your both legs. Keep your feet together. Both hands behind. Inhale. Right leg up. Exhale. Look front. So here also you need to do with inhalation and exhalation. Inhale down. Exhale, left leg up. Do it continuous, both sides slow. Inhale. Exhale, right leg up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Just hold it now. 5. Hands straight. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Inhale. Exhale. Opposite side. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg up. Opposite leg up. Just chest up. Maximum as much you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Here you can hold it little bit longer also according to your capacity. So this time hands and legs up together. Little bit challenging. Try to do it. Inhale and exhale. Both together. Again down. Inhale. Exhale. Up. Inhale down. Don't touch your feet to the floor. Exhale up. only 5 times. Inhale down, exhale up. Last time. Inhale down, exhale up. Just do it and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. I don't know you feel or not, but I feel too much. Very good, guys. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So in the last, we'll do one more trick here. Just make a finger lock. You can put it behind your head. So this time, one leg straight, one leg bent. Try to do as much you can, and touch your elbow to the opposite knee like this. 1 and then 2. Continuous do it. 1, 2. Try. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Very good. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So after that, you can do a little bit rolling up and down and to the side also, and come back. Don't forget to relax after all the exercise. You can relax for 5 minutes at least. So guys, this is a very good workout for your core. It's make your core more strong, so you can easily lose your belly fat. So thank you so much for watching my video. And again, if you want to join my weight loss course, and also if you want to practice with me advanced yoga, and if you want to become a yoga teacher, any course you can do with me. It's live online, and all the course is certificate course also, and the practice course also. So message me on my WhatsApp, and also you can send me email. I will write all the details into the description, and also you can visit to my website www.jaiyogaacademy.com. So thank you so much, guys. See you into the next video. Take care, everyone. Namaste. Hari Om.